I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. Smart systems lead to better margins. PD Tech streamlines the admin for Kiwi tradespeople.
In this video, we show you how to create a bill from a sales invoice. If you invoice customers for goods you need to purchase, you can copy the details from the sales invoice to draft a bill. Click Sales, then select Invoices. Next, choose a tab to find the invoice or invoices you want to copy. For example, the Draft, Awaiting Payment, or Paid tabs. You can't copy from the All tab. We'll choose the Awaiting Payment tab. Then, select the checkbox next to each invoice you want to copy to a bill. You can copy a single invoice or multiple invoices. If you copy multiple invoices, Xero creates one bill with all the lines in the original invoices. Once you've selected the invoice or invoices, click Copy To. Then select Bill. Enter the supplier name in the Contact field. For example, we'll enter Bayside Wholesale. This is optional at this stage, but if you complete it now, it pre-fills the From field in the bill. If you've manually added lines to a sales invoice and haven't used tracked inventory, Xero copies the details from the invoice to a draft bill. The Use Item Details If Set checkbox is relevant if you use tracked inventory. When selected, it drafts a bill using the Tracked Inventory Purchases settings for items on the sales invoice. When you're ready, select Copy or Copy and Merge. Review and update details such as the date, due date, quantity, unit price, and account as needed to agree to the supplier paperwork. When you're ready, click Approve to finalize the bill. Now you know how to create bills directly from a sales invoice.